is this fox? Oh, it's the French MP.
Stop! I love you.
Looking good today. Looking good every day.
Good morning. We have a beautiful patient here today who is, for her birthday, going to do a little earlobe restoration. And I'm going to show you what ends up being distracting to patients as their earlobes lose a little bit of their collagen and then they can't wear their favorite earrings, their favorite studs anymore. Let me show you what this looks like. So, go ahead and turn your head for me.
Sorry.
So she's got these great diamond earrings, but as you can see, they fall forward on both sides. And this is something that is so easy to correct. Yay! It's painless. It takes 5 minutes or less. And I'm going to show you the difference between an earlobe restoration on one side and the other so that you can see what it's like to wear your favorite studs or your favorite earrings and not have to worry about them falling forward. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So let's do this beautiful earlobe restoration. So what tends to happen is that when we get our piercings, over time it starts to form this little line, weakness, loss of collagen. And what we're going to do is just restore them. So the ear is not a very vascular area. It'll bleed a little bit, but there aren't a lot of anatomical considerations that you have to worry about. So what I do is I like to come from behind the ear because then you don't see the poke marks in front. So I go right underneath and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, boop. And watch how it just kind of takes its own shape back. You doing okay? You feeling all right? No pain?
I'm okay.
And look at that beautiful little bulbous ear. You never knew an earlobe could be sexy.
Can't wait.
And then because I just like to make sure the whole ear looks good, it's all about everything looking great together. I'm gonna come back a little bit there.
And what product do you like for earlobes?
It depends, but right now I'm using an RH2. I also pulled out an RH3 in case I wanted something a little firmer. I'm gonna test out the results with the earring going back in and then I'll be able to really confirm.
Okay.
Are we filming?
We are.
Okay, so we're doing the earring test. See how beautifully positioned it is. It's now staring straight ahead, and then go ahead and show her the other side so that you can see the difference. That one hasn't been done yet. So it's easy, quick, lasts a while. I mean, at least a year or two, but you can wear all your favorite earrings.
My birthday gift.
Great.
Yeah.
That's a birthday gift.
Yeah. So here is the finished result. We've got perky earrings in the right position, and this one was her troubled one, and you can see it's right there, staring straight ahead, not tilting down. So this is fresh off the needle. She's a little swollen right now, of course, but they look good, nice and bulbous. We love it. And now she'll be able to wear her earrings without feeling like they are falling forward.
Thank
for
you.
this beautiful face.